Come on, keep showing us. It's what happens when you open your mouth. Come on. Keep going. Because I hate to tell you something, Warren. We're taking a video to post it on YouTube.
You better not do that shit.
Yeah, we are. What is Nell gonna think? Did you ever wonder that?
No.
No? Covering your mouth up ain't gonna help.
Sound famous.
Now come on, dance. Have you never played Angry Birds?
No.
Okay, well, keep dancing. Dance around, flap your wings, jump around. Come on.
Oh, yeah, I'm sweating.
I'm surprised you got a girlfriend because you can't dance.
Hell no. You better not put this on YouTube.
Well, then dance, and I might not.
Hell no, because then you have me for sure.
Come on. Show us your moves. That's your moves. Is that how you get Nell?